Hello guys, I'm Aurora. Thank you so much for watching. And since we have been doing so much grammar lately, we are going to add some new vocabulary. Today we will learn the name of some objects that you can find in your bathroom. So let's start. Sapone is soap, sapone. Dentifricio is toothpaste, dentifricio. Spazzolino is toothbrush, spazzolino. Bicchiere is glass, bicchiere. Pettine is comb, pettine. Spazzola is brush, spazzola. Filo interdentale is dental floss, filo interdentale. Collutorio is mouthwash, collutorio. So in the next lesson we will learn some new vocabulary, and we will learn the name of objects that we can find in our kitchen, and soon we will be able to create our own sentence. So put a thumbs up if you liked the video, subscribe, and remember, verde, bianco, rosso. Bye!